Now would you look at this? Now who did it? Now you know you did it.
Why? Why'd you eat it? Speak. Why'd you eat it?
Just look at those sweet, innocent faces.
Was it you?
As if they've done nothing wrong.
Was this you?
Did you eat? Did you enjoy it?
That was more than halfway full. Jack, try to walk. Come on, let's go.
What did you do? Really?
It's been a minute, but he back at it.
Who ate the flannels?
Did you do this? Why are you trying to hide under him? Huh? Was this you?
Balls and dogs are inseparable friends. An eternal love story.
Huh?
Messi, 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 Messi.
And then what happened?
Our furry friends can talk. See for yourself. They're very eloquent.
What does the cow say? Good boy. What does the cow say?
Hey, well, yeah, well, what are you yelling at me for? I didn't push you off.
So this dude found a wheel from a garbage can. No, you can't have it. Sit down.
Are you complaining to me about something?
No, you're not getting dinner. You're in bed.
Not allowed on the bed, you... No! It is bedtime. Let's go.
Catching those innocent looks again. It's seriously hilarious every time.
Who did this? Who? 你别笑.
Who did this? Who did this?
Who did it? Hey, smell. No. Smell.
Who did this?
Who did this? Who?
Who did this?
Who did this?
Who did this? Cool. Who did this? Who did this?
Dobermans aren't just tough. Look how goofy they can be. If you're a Doberman fan too, hit like. Let's see how many of us there are.
I don't know.
You already got 2 of them. No, you don't get endless treats. You don't.
What else?
Did you chew up this pillow? Huh?
Norman, get up. Let's go. Let's go. Wait. Okay, you did it.
No. No.
No. Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh, God, Pepper!
The owner is the best friend, only they know the magic spots to scratch for pure bliss.
Now both.
Waving to love.
When you're brave, only when your human is around. And without them.
I just don't understand.
Oh, really?
This is crazy to me.
Who could have possibly done this?
Did you dig
You
that
didn't
hole?
chew my slippers, did you?
Mira dónde hay chorba. Mira. Ay, manca chorba.
Where's my jammer? Charlie.
Bailey, did you finish Annalisa's breakfast this morning?
Well. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset?
You just ate an entire chicken parm. A whole chicken. Do you have any idea what you've done? It was $20.
Who ate the toy?
Huh?
New bag of dog food. Who got into that? Who got into the dog food?
Did you do that? Who did this?
Who did this? Bubba, was this you? Georgia, was this you? Jackal, was it? Yeah, that's what I fucking thought!
This type of shit I be talking about.
Gail, did you poop in my closet?
Did you do that? Go to kennel. Hey, kennel. Kennel.
Were you on my bed? No. Were you on my bed?
Who did?
Dachshunds are the long sausages of the dog world, awesome, funny, and adorable. If you're a Dachshund lover too, hit LIKE. Let's see our pack.
Sorry about this.
You go through, mate.
Oh God.
Oh, are you okay? Are you okay?
Welcome to night one of Will Jane watch me eat my dinner.
Then my head hit the wall.